By now, most all of us have seen our year-end investment returns and are lamenting the negative performance in 2022. The major stock indexes were down about 18% last year, and even the bond index was down about 13%, a historic downdraft in the bonds. We at Waukesha State Bank Wealth Management have helped guide our clients through multiple bull and bear markets over the years, as well as multiple economic cycles. What happened in 2022 was precipitated by an inflation rate that we hadn't seen in over 40 years. Peaked over 9%, and this caused the Federal Reserve to take swift and drastic action in hiking interest rates. The rapid rise in interest rates is really what caused the sell-off in all the major asset classes. As we look towards 2023, what we'd like to do is discuss some key topics that we think investors should be aware of as we try to navigate the next year. As we look forward to 2023 and beyond, there are a couple of topics that we'd like to discuss with our clients. First of all, what's first and foremost on most people's mind is recession. Will there be a recession this year? That fear is looming large as investors try to position their portfolios to navigate this possibility. At this point, we believe there's probably better than a 50% chance that the economy does slip into some sort of economic slowdown in the latter part of this year. Some may believe that's hard to fathom, considering the most recent unemployment report came in at 3.5%, tying the lowest level we've seen in the past decade. But on the other hand, keep in mind that the economy is still largely driven by consumers and consumer sentiment. There are some warning flags on the horizon. We've all seen the large layoffs announced by mainly some of the big tech companies in Silicon Valley. But also consumer spending during the holiday season was down 1% compared to last year. So this, again, was under analyst forecasts. Despite these fears of recession, we believe there is cause for some optimism. There are some long-term investment themes that we believe are driven by secular trends that should benefit our clients and investors regardless of whether we go into a recession or not. For example, one theme is deglobalization. During the past couple of years, with the onset of the pandemic and global wars happening in Ukraine, we've become acutely aware that there's some shortfalls in our supply chain here in the U.S. for key industries like semiconductors, like pharmaceuticals. So as part of this current administration's agenda, they passed what they call the CHIPS Act, which incentivizes companies like Intel, like Samsung, to invest in major plants here in the U.S. to manufacture semiconductors. These are multi-billion-dollar investment projects that will span the next several years. That will be a positive for the economy and again for key industries like semiconductors. In the end, we here at Waukesha State Bank Wealth Management adhere to a disciplined investment approach. We don't follow fads. We encourage each of you to reach out to one of our advisors and let us review with you your investment portfolio to see if it's well positioned for some of these key issues that we've discussed today. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.